हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आई होप यू आर फाइन। मैं आपका साथी मन्नन सर। फ्रेंड्स, आई वुड लाइक टू टेल वन थिंग। मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताना चाहता हूँ जो आपकी ज़िंदगी में बहुत स्पेशल है, बहुत ख़ास है। ज़िंदगी में सबसे ज़्यादा ख़ास आप हो, लेकिन आप ख़ास दूसरे को समझते हो, दूसरे इंसान को आप ख़ास समझते हो, इसलिए आप अपने लाइफ में कभी ख़ास किसी के बन नहीं। खास अगर आपको बनना है तो अपने अंदर आपको उतरना पड़ेगा, अपने अंदर अपने कमियों को दूर करना पड़ेगा, अपने अंदर आपको झांकना पड़ेगा, तब जाके आप खास बन सकते हो और आप सफल हो सकते हो। सफल होना इतना आसान नहीं जैसा कि जुबान से कहना आसान है। कुछ लोग कहते हैं मैं आपको सफल बना दूंगा, जुबान से कह देते हैं। कुछ लोग कहते हैं मैं सफल होकर रहूंगा। होना, कहना, कहलवाना अलग बात है। सफलता कहाँ मिलती है, किस हाल में मिलती है, किस रूप मिलती है, ये जानना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है। जिस दिन इसका अंदाजा इंसान को लग जाएगा, वो दुनिया से साथ नहीं, सिर्फ खुद से साथ रखेगा और वो सफल हो जाएगा। ओके, नाउ कम टू द पॉइंट। इंग्लिश की दुनिया में हम चलते हैं। इंग्लिश धड़ल्ले से कैसे बोलते हैं? इंग्लिश आपको बोलने वाले बहुत मिलेंगे, ठीक है, अच्छी बात है। एक भाषा है, हर कोई बोलता है, आप भी बोलोगे। आप अपने अंदर झांको, आप क्यों नहीं बोल पाते हो इंग्लिश? आपके अंदर क्या कमी है? आप इंग्लिश क्यों नहीं बोल पाते हो? ठीक है, आप अपने आप से खुद बातें करो, कहाँ कमी है उसको जानो, उसको खत्म करो। जहां डाउट है आप पूछो। अगर आप वास्तव में इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हो तो आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो। अगर अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए दोस्त, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा। आइए चलते हैं एक जबरदस्त इंग्लिश की टॉकिंग और आगाज करते हैं। ओके, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Mohammed.
From where are you?
I am from Dhanapur.
Nowadays, what are you doing?
Nowadays, I am learning English.
Why are you learning English?
I am learning because it is important in this time.
It is important in this time.
Yes.
Yes. I want to know your friend was reading with you, Sharma ji.
Yes.
You know about Sharma ji?
Yes, I know about.
From where is he?
He is from Sadabad.
He is from Sadabad?
Yes, sir.
Why didn't he come today?
I don't know why he didn't come.
You don't know?
Yes, sir. I don't.
देख रहे हो दोस्त, इंग्लिश ताबड़तोड़ डेबटल स्पीकिंग कैसे करें, एक हाईएस्ट स्पीकिंग कैसे करें, एक जबरदस्त अंदाज के साथ इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कैसे करें। छोटे छोटे नमूने से मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, बड़े पैमाने तक चल के दिखाऊंगा। अब बड़े पैमाने चल रहे हैं, 45, 50, 60 ईयर्स, 70 ईयर्स, जो कोई भी सीखना चाहता है इंग्लिश सीख सकता है। आसानी से मैं उसको इंग्लिश बोलने का अंदाजा, ट्रिक्स सब बताऊंगा। ओके, ही इज फ्रॉम सदाबाद।
Yes.
Okay, why didn't he come today?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Perhaps you are telling lies?
No.
Yes.
I never tell.
If that is your friend, why don't you know about him?
Because he didn't tell me.
He didn't tell you?
Yes, he didn't tell me why he didn't come.
Yes, I know that. He didn't tell you, but why didn't he tell you? What is the reason?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
He doesn't meet you?
No.
He reads with you?
He meets with me.
He meets you?
Yes, he meets me.
When he meets you, he talks. Moreover, he talks for a long time. Why are you saying he didn't meet me?
It is my fault. It's kept out my mouth.
Okay, no mention. And have you mobile?
Yes, I have mobile.
Your friend has a mobile?
Yes, maybe he has mobile.
Maybe, okay. And you have ever talked to your friend by mobile?
No, no, no.
No. You have never talked.
I never talk.
So why don't you talk? It is good habit.
I think it is not about good or bad.
Okay,
I haven't
listen
time
to
for
me.
that.
You have mobile.
Yes, I have.
Your friend has mobile. What is the benefit of mobile? Mobile is useless.
No,
Tell me.
mobile is very useful.
If that is useful, so why don't you talk to each other?
Doesn't matter why we don't talk to each other. If we learn about from any other sides, we'll learn any other side. We can talk any other person.
You can talk another person,
Yeah.
but why don't you talk to your friends? What is the
He is
reason?
not only my friend.
Okay, you have lots of friends.
Yes, I have many friends. I talk to my other friends.
You know, it doesn't matter that you have lots of friends. You have to behave, you have to make relation, okay, with your friends, and you have to make live You have to make live your relationship. You have to make live your relative. Okay. If your relatives are saying his relation is very good, at that very moment you can say that yes, you are a good person. Otherwise, it's not.
Yes, yes, I am doing right that thing. I meet him offline. I meet him to him offline.
I meet.
I meet him offline, and who with whom I can't meet offline, I talk to him
So
by
I
phone.
know that, such as it is sunlight,
Yeah.
it is very hot. At that very moment, he is unable to come to coaching. He is unable to meet you. What will you do at that time?
Then I will call him.
You will call.
Yes, I will call.
Yes, you will value a mobile.
Yeah.
You will value your friend. It is necessary or not.
It is necessary.
So you should feel like every time. That will be good for you. Okay, no mention. Tell me and about your friend, that in which class does he read? What is he doing?
I don't know very well about that.
How do you say that is your friend? If you don't know anything about him, how do you say that is your friend? Perhaps you are liar.
No, he is my batchmate.
Yes, now you spoke correct.
He is my batchmate.
Yes. While talking, he didn't tell you that in which class do I read? What am I doing? He didn't tell you.
Maybe he told, but I didn't care about that.
Yes, you didn't care.
By talking, maybe he told to me, but I didn't care about.
While talking, is it necessary to listen what the front person saying,
Yes.
that is uh, saying reality or not? You have to note that word. You have to note his word into your mind. That will be good for you. Otherwise, it would be difficult. Yes. What is the condition of Bengal? You know, election passed away.
Yes,
Election completed, election finished in Bengal.
Yes, sir.
So, what is your opinion about Bengal? What happened at there?
The BJP party have won the election.
Yes, BJP won the election. Yes. What is the circumstance? Means what is the condition in Bengal right now?
The
What's
condition,
happening at the people?
the condition of Bengal is very dangerous at this time.
Yes.
The people of who is from BJP party, they are burning the TMC's office.
Yes.
And they are fighting with them. That is very dangerous. Bengal is becoming like a second Manipur. And
Second Manipur.
Second Manipur, and it is very
It is
dangerous.
going to.
It is very dangerous for India.
So what should government do? What should the police do? What should the Draupadi Murmu do? And tell me, what should the Prime Minister do? What is necessary to Bengal related to this situation? What should be done?
They should do by force, and they should apply the president's rule at there, and no one is all of.
Do you know how did Modi ji won the election in Bengal?
I think this is a fault of election commission.
It is part of election commission.
Yeah, it is
Is
a-
it true?
I think it is true.
You think it is true?
Lots of people are saying it is fault of
Where are the people saying tell?
in India.
In India.
Yeah,
Have you any proof?
there are lots of videos on YouTube and Twitter.
Oh, you have watched the video on
Yes.
YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook.
Everyone knows Awadh Ojha,
Yes, yes.
the teacher of he teaches
Yes.
UPSC.
Our Oja sir was telling.
Yes, he spoke in a podcast
Yes.
that if BJP won Bengal, if BJP win Bengal, then that is the true BJP takes benefit from election commission.
Yes, 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 yes. And he told,
It is friendship of BJP and election commission.
yes, sir. Yes, you are right. It's happening like that,
Yes.
according to you. Yes. Okay, friends, you are looking at how to discuss for a long time. कैसे लंबे समय तक बातें करें. बहुत आसान है बातें करना. पहले अपने मन को खुश करना, फिर प्रेम से इंग्लिश को स्टार्ट करना, और आगे तक चलते रहोगे, बढ़ते रहोगे, और आपकी मंजिल खुद ब खुद आपके पास आएगी। आप आपको रुकना नहीं है, आपको चलते रहना है। ठीक है, फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो।